Welcome to POPU Microbeauty. Today I'm gonna unpacking a cool mystery box from Chinese company POPU that included a lot of things for tattoo and permanent makeup for comfortable work. And inside you will find a very nice woman thing for our happy smile. Let's go! This is Olga Yakovleva's channel. Why do you need to watch my videos? They will help you choose professional equipment for your hands, and you can also get additional information about permanent makeup and tattoo. You help me when you subscribe and like it, and I can share useful videos with you absolutely free. So right now, subscribe to my channel, leave comments and support us. All information in the video subjective opinion of the author, so please read the disclaimer in the description of the video. POPU Microbeauty is a company from China that manufactures professional tattoo machines, cartridges, accessories and pigments. POPU is a community that fosters a culture of learning, where artists can exchange ideas and share insights. Their company has distributors around the world. In front of me, a big box with very beautiful color, lavender. On the box is no distracting information, just the company name, POPU, and several social networks of our brand. Instagram, TikTok, Facebook and others. Let's open. On the lid, it has a letter from the company. Here's one of everything from cartridges to permanent makeup and fine line tattoo machines. Really good to keep you creating incredible work and master your skills. From Team POPU Microbeauty. We carefully open the packaging paper. As you can see, everything is branded in gorgeous color, lavender. The first thing is a fabric bag. It's very nice and convenient bag. My daughter is fashionista and I think she'll assign my bag very quickly. The quality is good. One latex with broad hems for your walking off for hair stroke techniques. Two POPU drawing pencils, red and white, for sketch on the lips and eyebrows, for example. With sharpener on this box. Very important thing is a barrier protection for tattoo pen. In this box, 200 pieces with size 52 on 165 millimeters. We always use barrier protection during our work. And woman's things for our happy smile. Hair tie, 2 hairpins, and small mirror in the style cover. I really like this brand color. I will guess who will get these beautiful things. That's right, of my daughter. 2 various cartridges. 1 sample of needles for clover cartridges with different needle configurations. 3RS and 3RL, for example. And there's only V2 cartridge needles with also different needle configurations. 3RS and 1RL, for example. I already worked with it, and in the near future we're seeing a full video review about these cartridges from POPU. Don't miss. And the dessert is queen from our video review is Mini Diva tattoo machine. The packaging has the same style and beautiful lavender color as the mystery box. On the box is information about the name of our tattoo machine, Mini Diva, and name of our company and brand, POPU. It has also QR code to go to the full manual of our tattoo pen in 8 languages. Inside on the lid, there are official website and several POPU social networks: Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and others. Inside, information about warranty and specifications. Our Mini Diva, we talk about it later. At the bottom of the box there is a small box with Type-C cable for charging our wireless battery. In the specifications has information that inside that this device doesn't support fast charging. I'm returning to the tattoo pen. It has the same gorgeous color as the box, lavender, matte body with logo POPU. The first impression is lightweight and compact design. Length is 127 mm. The POPU Mini Diva Mystery Box is a great all-in-one solution for professional permanent makeup artists. Its price is about $260. It's now spring 2025. You can also choose the different box on the official website with pigments or other themes for tattoo and permanent makeup. A full review of tattoo pen Mini Diva and cartridges from POPU you will able to see on my channel. See you!